This video will answer the question, what happens when an academic integrity issue is reported? This flowchart explains the process and potential consequences of an academic integrity violation. The process begins with a suspicion being reported. A suspected violation can be reported by a faculty, proctor, student, or staff member.
The reporting steps begin when a suspicion is encountered by faculty, proctor, student, or staff. If a violation is identified, the chair is notified, and they report it to the Chief Academic Integrity Officer. No earned grade should be submitted until the issue is resolved. This brings us to the fork in the road. The CAIO advises the chair to pursue either a formal or informal resolution. Factors considered include whether it is a first-time violation and how serious or complex the violation is. In the informal resolution process, the faculty or chair meets with the student to discuss the charge. Possible Class C sanctions are discussed. The student either accepts or refuses the sanctions. If the student refuses the charges or the parties cannot agree on an informal solution, the matter is referred to a formal resolution, provided the chair believes a violation occurred.
The formal resolution involves the CAIO informing the student and arranging an official hearing. The committee decides if a violation occurred and determines appropriate sanctions. The decision is presented to the CAIO, student, and chair in writing. But what happens if someone disagrees with the committee's decision?
Both parties have the option to appeal the committee's decision. If an appeal is filed, the appeals dean makes the final decision. If no one appeals, the hearing committee's decision stands. Key takeaways show that informal resolutions have less severe, Class C sanctions. Formal resolutions can lead to more severe sanctions, including Class A, B, and C. Thank you for watching.